What is up to the
T.
K squad? Hey guys, so today we are doing.
It looks like a freaking slug.
Today, today we are doing a mukbang. Today we're doing a seafood mukbang, and we got our food from All Shucks. It's a seafood place. So yeah, let's just get started. We're gonna say some grace, and we're gonna get started.
God is great. God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. God is His. We are blessed. Thank Him for our daily bread.
Amen. Okay, so guys, today's.
It took y'all a long time to pray over food.
No, we're doing.
What are you doing? Are you on my phone?
Yeah, we're doing a mukbang.
A what?
A mukbang is basically where you talk and you eat at the same time. What? Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. Are you really eating a fry?
Mhm.
Don't double dip.
Sorry.
I don't care.
We'll do the other side.
What? First of all, I say it every day. No, it's not.
What?
Here, I'll make my side ketchup so you can double dip a lot. Or like whenever you want. Hold on. Get your shrimp and try to. It's not gonna work because it's already cooked.
That one that got that boy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go. So that.
The state that messed up free agency. No. That boy agreed to come over there for the $5 million.
You guys feel my dad in the background.
How did they mess up?
Sorry.
Because they getting all of the best players wanting to go to Golden State.
Are you
Oh,
serious?
well. Yeah.
It's the coach. It's the culture over there.
I love that coach.
You know, he's an ex-Bull.
I know that.
He's a field pro.
Oh, my God. I like Phil Jackson. That's all right.
Mike Jackson.
Exactly.
So guys,
Mike Jordan can't coach. He on the team. But they like the culture. You know, ain't no selfish players over there. And it's bad to say, but he knew he wasn't gonna win nothing down there in New Orleans.
Who?
That boy cousin. He knew.
Oh.
Even like Davis, I wish he could get away.
I wish you would go too. Because I like him.
Yeah, he would be done got him a title. He can't do it. Them two boys ain't the only two, because both of them was there.
Oh.
He got.
Guys, we found an
stuff.
easier
He don't
way
play so hard over
to
there. You ain't got nobody
build the
else
ship.
around. Then Rondo, get what he
Just
did.
twist it.
He took and went to
twist
the
the tail a little bit.
right behind
Comment down
the
below
drum.
if you guys
Them guys going,
ever ate
you know,
that
you
Odd
know,
Shucks
you know,
before.
from
Well, Rondo
child-
got titles, though.
Yeah, but from childhood, you still don't go just to be going in there to lose. Some of these teams' intention is not to
I
win.
guess it's not us talking.
They
This
just
is
draw
spirit
fans
bug.
to keep losing.
Well,
So
what irritates me is the fact they got on,
guys,
had the nerve to talk about Kevin Durant.
Durant did what he had to.
Thank you.
He knew he wasn't finna win down in
Okay, see?
Oklahoma City.
sorry.
I hate George, but George can be still a
Now,
free agent next year. He just knew
we're
that the
gonna
Lakers
do
didn't have
our
the money.
spicy noodle challenge later when we get hungry again,
But come
because we
next
got
year,
our seafood.
they will have the money.
Ugh.
Why? He get on my nerves.
Daddy, did you get anything?
He must be honest.
Did you get anything?
No, I didn't have anything left.
Kaylin, don't let your dad play with you.
I'm just
I'm
asking.
just trying to make sure y'all ain't. I ain't had
You know darn well.
If he says he don't have no money, then he don't have none.
Are you kidding me?
Why? You do the same thing.
No, when I don't have no money, I ain't got it.
You got your card.
You got to have money on the card.
You got money on the card.
Whatever. Don't.
Daddy got money on
You
the
know
card.
Darren say he ain't got no money.
Daddy got money on the card.
Exactly.
So, these are mine. Oh. Okay. So, guys, comment down below.
There you go, Kevin.
What
There
do you
you
want?
go.
What do you want them to comment down below, Tina?
If you like seafood. Comment down below if you like seafood.
Yeah, but that's why he went somewhere else, because he, after coming off an injury, he know
Everybody
wasn't
say,
finna offer him no money, so, okay, I go to Golden State, I get around the same money, and I get a chance to compete for a dollar.
and possibly if he pay good,
You want to
They'll
move in the
trade him
closet?
off.
You want to move in the closet? Okay. Move your computer.
And he won't have to play as many.
Hey guys, we're gonna move in the closet.
and that's hard.
That's where they gonna hurt Davis at down there.
We're gonna move in the closet because parents are talking. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. When will his contract be up?
Who?
Davis.
Daddy, say
I
hi.
don't know. Hi. Bye.
I'm on YouTube, Daddy.
When? When his contract be up?
He franchised.
So we're gonna move in the closet because
He
you
gonna
know
have to wait
They know
around.
his age.
parents are talking. So
He gonna have to wait around.
we're gonna move all of this up there. Move your bag right there. Move all these strings over there. Okay. 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 Move. 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 Okay. So guys, we're going to get our stuff. We're gonna move in here. You can keep this one. You don't know what I call.
Yeah, but they don't want no trouble in the locker room. They want people that want, you know, play together.
He wouldn't fit in there with him.
Okay, so guys, we got our food in
Who the
here.
hell was him? He too much drama. I thought you said Dwayne Wade. Don't nobody want him. There's one in there. What you wait? Go get that up.
Catch up.
They ain't got to take up in there.
Katie, what are you doing with the ketchup?
Oh, damn, she needs it.
Okay, I need it too.
Why you think I got the little bit of cups? Because I was going to play with her.
What did you get, Mom? Catfish?
Fish and shrimp.
Oh. Pretty cool. We're gonna kind of mix these up.
And I want to go sleep.
Okay, guys, so you might be able to still hear them, but at least it's not as bad.
Sorry, I'm talking about basketball or football or whatever.
Basketball, I think.
So, just
Oh, sorry, guys.
or do you want me to just
So, guys, it's not as bad, but you could probably still hear them, and we're sorry for that.
Of course he's saying that,
I what's this? What do you want to do?
Just don't mind them. Huh? Let me move the camera.
Why?
Oh.
Wait. Okay, so we're just in a closet.
Eating, because you guys can probably hear our parents talking about freaking basketball. They're basically yelling about basketball. Guys, earlier my tooth was hurting so bad because I had a cavity that they had to fix.
There's a doctor.
I had to go to the dentist.
Dentist.
And then they had to fix my cavity. They put like this light in my mouth. They put some white stuff, some red stuff. And put something else in. Sorry guys, something just fell on this little thing. Shoe rack.
Even though the whole
And-
closet full of clothes and shoes.
This lady, she was putting a light on my mouth.
Mhm.
And freaking, literally, it was hurting because the pointy part was on my lip. It wasn't up, it was on my lip. So it was hurting. And then she didn't care.
Just say, here's your balloon. Here you go.
She gave me a balloon. She gave me a sticker. And then there was this boy who gave me another sticker, so I got 2 stickers.
It's on her shirt.
It's not on my shirt. It's on where my clothes are.
Yeah, it's on your shirt. Your shirt over. It was the shirt that you're wearing, right? That you were wearing?
It's not on that shirt. It's on.
Oh, I saw 2 stickers on there.
I did. But you know that little brown thing
Mhm.
in the front room of my clothes?
Mhm.
That's where it is.
Oh.
That's where the 2 stickers are. So guys, I'm drinking a Big Red. She's drinking her Capri Sun. Her soda's in the freezer. Okay. So sorry guys for our parents. It's just they're talking about basketball so loud. So, are you done? Hey guys, so we're done.
What? My last piece tasted weird. Tastes weird.
So guys, we are finished. Done with our mukbang. And now, we're gonna do
Filet. If you want the filet. Should I just close it?
Ma, do you want these fries? Dad, do you want these fries?
No, Mom in the list. Mom in the list.
Okay, don't close it.
If you really want to,
Okay, carry the camera.
but Durant is the most consistent player in the league.
Y'all too? Y'all not gonna eat the fries? I bet you that's talent and that's yours.
Because she tore hers apart. I did that to mine too.
Y'all done with the fries too? Okay, we can close the book, throw it away. I hope y'all ain't got no ketchup on my plate.
I got it. Stop it.
Okay, guys. So, right now, excuse me.
Cause they didn't eat.
Can you bring me a double cream? Right, why?
So guys, but right now I'm getting my mom a double cream. So it's basically like this cream pie. It's like this pie with cream in the middle. Come. So, what are you gonna do now, Tinica? Oh. Yeah. Do you want to do a house tour? Sure. No, let's not do that. What do you want to do? Okay, do you want to play hide and go seek?
Sure.
Okay.
I'll hide first.
Okay, so you get to have the camera, and I'll count. Guys, I'm counting to 30.
I'm gonna hide with the camera. So I'm gonna hide in the garage.
Aging players, increasing the value, drafting players, etc. So, 10 years, the Boston Celtics are going to get in there and do some business. Benson is doing
14.
No, Rangers, I cannot accept that. Zordon will not accept that.
Okay, I'll just head over here. So I'm hiding right here, just by the table. So I don't think she'll find me. She does, that'll be kind of weird.
Oh.
She found me. So she found me.
Count to 20.
No, count to 10. Cause count out loud, please.
Wait, count to 20 actually. Okay, so guys, we'll play hide and go seek later. So, hope you had a fun time. And